Are your email campaigns making a lasting impact, or are they falling flat? Unlock their potential today. Keeping your email list clean is crucial. Outdated addresses hurt performance and damage your reputation, risking spam misuse. Engaging with lost customers through re-engagement emails can recover potential revenue and strengthen relationships significantly. A one-size-fits-all email strategy often leads to disengagement. Segmenting your list ensures personalized, effective communication. Avoid the temptation of purchasing email lists. Compliance and genuine connections are crucial for long-term marketing success. Communicating consistently fosters trust and familiarity with your audience, reinforcing the bond that keeps them engaged over time. Crafting engaging email content not only captures attention but also enhances your brand's reputation and engagement significantly. Utilize iContact's powerful features like customizable templates and a drag-and-drop editor for creating stunning emails effortlessly. A/B testing your materials can unveil what captivates your audience, optimizing outreach and improving your message's effectiveness. Step into 2025 prepared. With iContact, enhance your email marketing and build lasting connections that lead to success.